In the world of DJing, finding the best laptop is pivotal. It's not just about owning any laptop, it's about having the best laptop for DJing that seamlessly merges technology with creativity. But the problem you'll face while purchasing laptops for DJing is which one to pick. There are too many manufacturers in the market. My today's video is about top 5 laptops for DJing that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check link in the description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Asus laptop for DJing. Asus Zenbook Pro stands as one of the choices for passionate DJs and music producers. Featuring a dazzling 15.6-inch 4K OLED HDR Nano Edge primary display and an interactive 14-inch 4K touchscreen ScreenPad Plus, it transforms DJs into an immersive creative experience. It has 12th generation Intel Core i7 processor, 16GB RAM, and a Shift 1TB SSD, complemented by NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 graphics. It includes Thunderbolt 4 USB-C, USB 3.2, Zen Type-A, DC for charging, HDMI 2.1 for external displays, and an audio jack for headphones and speakers. This handles DJ software, audio production, and live mixing, ensuring seamless performance even during the most intensive sessions. The ScreenPad Plus elevates DJing to new heights, serving as an intuitive interface for extending your primary display, managing additional tools, or running separate music applications. Its stylus support adds finesse, enabling DJs to craft intricate beats and jot down musical ideas on the go. This laptop meets the stringent MIL STD810G military standard for durability. DJs can confidently take their music to any stage, knowing their equipment can handle the challenges of the live performances. Its innovative design, robust performance, and durability makes it the ultimate companion for DJs and the music producers, promising a seamless and immersive musical journey. Now, our second product is Dell laptop for DJing. Dell Inspiron 14 Plus is a versatile laptop for DJs, offering robust performance and essential features for seamless music production and mixing. It is powered by a 12th generation Intel Core i7 12700H processor and Intel Iris Xe graphics. This laptop ensures exceptional performance crucial for DJing tasks, including music production, editing, and live mixing. Its 14-inch 2.2K 16:10 display, enhanced with Comfort View Plus technology, minimizes harmful blue light emissions, safeguarding DJ's eye during long mixing sessions. The laptop's 16GB of DDR5 RAM and spacious 1TB SSD guarantee swift multitasking, enabling DJs to handle intricate audio software, large music libraries, and real-time effects without lag. Connectivity is key for DJs. Equipped with Thunderbolt 4, HDMI 2.0, and USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-A ports, DJs can effortlessly link various audio interfaces, controllers, and external devices, enhancing their setup flexibility. Moreover, the laptop's Windows 11 Pro operating system ensures a smoother user experience. Its long-lasting battery life, ensuring DJs can keep the music going without interruptions. This feature, combined with its powerful performance and versatile connectivity, makes it an ideal choice for DJs looking for a reliable and efficient laptop. Our third product is Acer laptop for DJing. The Acer Predator, the companion for DJs designed to meet the demands of the most discerning music professionals. Powered by the latest 13th Gen Intel Core i7 13700H processor and the potent NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 laptop GPU. This laptop guarantees unrivaled performance in the world of DJing. Its 16GB of DDR5 RAM and Swift 1TB Gen 4 SSD not only provides storage but also lightning fast data access, ensuring DJs have their music library at their fingertips. It's 16-inch with 2560x 1600p, has the 165Hz G-Sync display, eliminates screen tearing and stuttering, ensuring a seamless visual experience that synchronizes flawlessly with the beats. The laptop's keyboard is an aesthetic marvel with perky RGB lighting, allowing DJs to customize the ambience of their setup. Connectivity is seamless with the Wi-Fi 6E-AX1675 network adapter and a versatile range of ports, including Thunderbolt 4, USB 3.2 Gen 2, and HDMI 2.1. DJs can effortlessly connect their mixers, controllers, and other peripherals, creating a comprehensive DJing hub. It has NVIDIA Advanced Optimus technology, enabling the laptop to intelligently switch between integrated and discrete graphics. This ensures optimal performance while conserving battery life, a crucial aspect for DJs during extended sessions. This laptop has a smart program called Predator Sense. It helps DJs make their laptop work better, change the colors of the lights, and try out some advanced settings easily. Now number 4. Apple Laptop for DJing. MacBook Pro, equipped with M2 Pro chip, redefines the landscape for DJs, offering unparalleled performance and versatility. With up to 12 CPU cores and 19 GPU cores, ensuring DJs experience seamless and lightning-fast operations. Its 16.2-inch Liquid Retina XDR display, enhanced by ProMotion technology, becomes the canvas for DJ's creativity. With a peak brightness of 1600 nits and a refresh rate up to 120 Hz. For DJs working with high-resolution visuals and demanding graphical interfaces, it elevates the auditory experience. Its 6-speaker sound system, complete with spatial audio, immerses DJs in their music. The integrated 3-microphone array ensures crystal clear communication during live performances. It embraces DJ-centric connectivity. With a range of ports, including 3 Thunderbolt 4 ports, an XDSC card slot, an HDMI port, and a headphone jack. The reintroduction of the MagSafe 3 charging port ensures uninterrupted power supply. This had battery life up to 22 hours, allowing DJs to perform multi-sets without concerns about running out of power. Its sleek design and advanced features make it a choice for DJs worldwide, providing the ideal platform for their creative expressions and seamless performances. And we're down to our last choice. Our last choice is Lenovo Laptop for DJing. Lenovo LOQ laptop stands as an exceptional companion for DJs. Lenovo LOQ laptop stands as an exceptional companion for DJs, offering robust performance. Powered by the latest 13th Gen Intel Core i5 13420H processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 graphics card, handles the intricate demands of DJ software and music production tools. Its 15.6-inch Full HD display with a swift 144 Hz refresh rate ensures a seamless and immersive DJing experience, capturing the nuances of every beat and melody. The laptops featuring 16 GB of DDR5 RAM and a capacious 1 TB solid-state drive for swift access to music libraries and applications. Connectivity is versatile with HDMI 2.0, USB-A 3.2, USB-C 3.2, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi 6E ports, allowing DJs to effortlessly integrate various equipment like MIDI controllers and audio interfaces. With its powerful performance, vivid display and extensive connectivity options, it empowers DJs to craft seamless mixes and elevate their creative pursuits without staining their budget. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.